We need to prepare ourselves. Gents, we know where we live. The justice system is less than optimal. That's why it's important for us to be prepared for when and if things do go sideways. We have things in place to help us. In my bio, I have links to a few places we can go to prepare ourselves. First is Firearms Guardian. They provide insurance for self-defense and many other firearms-related things. For when the shit hits the proverbial fan and we need someone to defend us in the aftermath. The next step in preparing oneself is with proper hand-to-hand combat training. Remember, striking, kicking, grappling. For the groundwork, I suggest you go visit Constrictor Jiu-Jitsu. It's one of the best jiu-jitsu studios in the country with one of the best coaches in the country. And for the stand-up fighting, I suggest my very own Kyokushin Karate Dojo, where we train bare-knuckle, full-contact karate. Please do feel free to join me at any of these places where we together can prepare ourselves to become good and dangerous men. Christ is king, and he will see it done.